Hi, welcome back. Today I want to do a tutorial showing how to make sure you can get docks working under OBS-Studio for just dockable interfaces. Now bring my OBS over here really quick. As you can see, I can go here and I can bring up stats, and you can dock it. This is something you can do. And with being able to do like a chat from like a live stream to YouTube, that will work also. But the biggest problem is OBS by default still needs some X11 or X Wayland usage. So here on KDE Plasma, if you go into here, you have to make sure you have flatseal installed, and you have to make sure you have the flatpak version of OBS installed. So after you install flatseal, go to OBS. If you're on KDE Plasma, you can just disable this Wayland windowing system. That will force it to use the X11 under Wayland or X Wayland. It'll force it to use that. However, if you're on like the Gnome desktop, you may have to scroll down to variables here, hit plus, and then put this here to force it to utilize X Wayland mode for this to work. I do not use this command here in variables because it actually I have found under KDE Plasma, it causes OBS to not even launch. So just disabling the Wayland windowing system here works perfectly fine, and then the docks will actually work. But this is just a quick video for people that are wanting to use OBS and want to have dockable windows that they can use for live streaming, maybe putting their chat window inside of OBS so they don't have to have windows all over the place on a second monitor or a third monitor in some cases. This is just something I do use under Linux, and I do find that the OBS package is under flatpak is the more official version of OBS to have dockables working, because the Arch package does not have the functionality unless you add it yourself. But then, it is a little bit more work to get it working. Like if you're under X11, it works. Under Wayland, I recommend using the OBS flatpak package and just making sure it's going to use the X11 windowing system under Wayland or X Wayland under KDE Plasma or Gnome. Use that command and it should work for you. Hopefully this video helps somebody that is possibly wanting to get more into live streaming, content creation. I really only notice the use for the docks per live streaming for myself, honestly. Other than that, I really don't use the docks, but it is something I did want access to. But hopefully this helps. Like, subscribe, comment below, share the video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.